Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. I'm starting here on the daily time frame, and then we can take a look at the shorter time frame as well afterwards. Here on the daily chart, Ethereum is currently ideally in the late stages of a wave 4 correction. Over the last month, maybe even a little longer, the price has been in this correction that we are labeling wave 4. Wave 4s are corrective pullbacks in an uptrend. There should be a fifth wave to the upside that follows. And we are also approaching our support levels around the 38.2 retracement at 3,665. That's an ideal target for a fourth wave anyway, so no surprise that we get there. We have this ascending trend line. I think we talked about that in the last couple of weeks regularly. It's currently coming in at around $3,700, so just above the 38.2 retracement. And then we've got the 200-day moving average here as well. That's potentially going to offer some support here as well. So a lot of support here still in this range. We are currently moving into this range, towards this range, without breaking it, obviously. We've only really just entered it this week. And the move to the downside seems like a three-wave move down, which should lead to higher prices, because as long as we're holding support, as long as we're looking at three waves down, the focus could be on higher prices. Now let's also take a look at the smaller time frame. It's just that we haven't got a low confirmed yet. And obviously what we talked about here before is on the ETH/USD chart that, it's not super clear if we need another low or not. We're tracking in parallel, for example, Ethereum dominance, which in this correction has been a little bit easier to read. And it gave us the opportunity to calculate targets. Targets have been reached. So looking at the ETH dominance chart, I think one more low would be likely, given that this move to the upside is only a three-wave move up and we are holding below resistance. But I can tell you, if we start to get a break above 13.2% maybe next week or so, then it could indicate the low is in and we're breaking out. And I think, and that's kind of again, we've been talking about that over the last few weeks. Once Ethereum dominance turns around, it could also mark the beginning of a next rally on the ETH chart, on the ETH/USD chart. So you see here the microstructures on the ETH/USD chart, they look very, very similar. We're also tracking a WXY. Actually, this here is more complex. I'm tracking a WXY pattern, but then from this X wave high, an ABC, and the C wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So might need another 4, 5. And we could be working on this wave 4. In my video yesterday, I highlighted to you that we could get a bit more of an extended wave 4. Maybe this was the A wave, this is the B wave, and we can get a C wave before going down. But that is speculative. For me, it's just important that we understand what the resistance area is, micro resistance, and it is between $4,006 and $4,215. So as long as we stay below it, the pressure is down for one more low. There is some micro support we can watch, but it's weak support, but it might hold if we get a broader wave 4 before then going down. If we get another low, $3,665 is next support. So that gives you all the parameters to watch for tomorrow. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure you check out our membership options. Tomorrow we have so on Sunday, we've got our member live stream again, 5 p.m. UTC, and also check out our X channel if you're interested in additional updates, charts, and much more. You can find the link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.